There are safety design concerns every homeowner needs to make sure they have addressed. These concerns are important because they help to prevent injury to people while they're in the home. A staircase that seems too steep or uncomfortable to climb and descend is probably improperly constructed. Stair steps should have a 7-inch rise or height, with at least a 10-inch tread or depth. There should be a handrail along the outside of an open staircase. If it has walls on both sides, it should have a handrail on the right-hand side going down the stairs. If the stairway is wider than 36 inches, it should have handrails on both sides of the staircase. Guard railings are located on balconies, landings between staircases, on open second-story hallways, patios, or anywhere where there's a drop-off more than the normal step of 7 inches. The railings must be secure and able to restrain an adult person from falling over the edge. The railing needs to be at least 36 inches high and be made up of balusters no more than 4 inches apart. A 4-inch ball should not be able to pass between the balusters or pass through any opening in the railing. Ground fault interruption circuits are one of the best safety devices that have been developed. GFCI devices have saved thousands of lives, most of the time without the person ever even knowing they were in danger. When an electrical device such as a hairdryer is plugged into the GFCI circuit, it measures the electrical flow into and out of the device. If the GFCI circuit can detect any difference in the electrical flow, it shuts down the electrical current in a fraction of a second. In doing so, it prevents the electrical current from passing through an individual. The GFCI circuits must be installed on every outlet that is located next to a sink, bathtub, or outdoor outlet, mainly anywhere there is water exposure. The GFCI circuits must be tested monthly to ensure they are still operational. Smoke detectors are the #1 safety device in any house. Smoke detectors are an electronic device that detects smoke, which usually precedes or is in conjunction with a fire. They need to be installed near bedrooms, in halls, the kitchen, laundry room, and in the garage for the necessary early warning. Smoke detectors need to be tested monthly and serviced as needed. Earthquake straps are used to secure such household items as the water heater or other large objects from falling over during an earthquake. When a water heater falls, it usually disconnects or breaks the gas line that is attached to the heater, releasing gas and starting a fire. It is important that the earthquake straps are located at the upper portion and around the lower portion of the water heater, and that they are big enough to secure the water heater from falling over. The straps must also be securely fastened to the house, usually into the studs in the walls, so that in a violent earthquake they can keep the water heater in place. There are many water heaters that have straps, but they are not properly installed or big enough to secure the heater. Check to ensure that all large devices and furniture, like tall bookcases and items that may block a door, are securely strapped in place.